वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता तांबडे चिकन. सो इट इज लायक लाल चिकन, रेड चिकन. So for that what we need, so this is like around so this is 6 leg pieces. Then we need 3/4 cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste for marination. Then we need to make a paste out of 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 garlic pod, few of cashew nuts, and 6 Kashmiri red chili. So I will show you now what you need for marination. So here it is. First we'll add salt. Then we will add this curd to this. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoon of heaped teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we need around chicken masala, any chicken masala, homemade if you have then fine. So this is around 2 of chicken masala powder. And I am adding 1 small teaspoon of white vinegar. You can add lime juice also. Let's marinate this nicely. And keep it aside. Now let's make paste out of all this. Okay, then another ingredients what we need while frying our chicken is bay leaves 3, 2 star anise, 1 elaichi and 1 stick of cinnamon, and barista of 1 onion. Okay, so here is a masala. So now let's apply this and leave this for 30 minutes. Till then we'll fry our onion. Taken 2 of these spoons of oil and we have to fry our onion till golden brown like barista. So बरो एक कांदो मातसो भाजून घेयात. टायम लागतलो मातसो कांदो भाजपाक, कित्याक आमी हो सारको आमी बिरयानीक करता पळय तसोच कांदो. So once this is nicely fried, then we will add our whole spices masala and then the chicken. And we'll cook that till the chicken gets nicely cooked. So here it's getting marinated and this is the masala which we'll be adding later. The onions are hot, we'll add our clove, our tej patta, and elaichi and this bay leaf. Fry this for a few minutes along with this. Low flame. Now we will add our chicken to this. Our marinated chicken to this. And let us mix this nicely and add 1 cup of water and cook this. Now we'll add the water which was there for the mixer also and which is there for this also. So total I am adding 2 cups of water. Mix this all. Then we have a mixer water also, that also we'll add. So if you want more water, you can add more water. If you don't want more water, then it's up to you, whichever way. I will cover this. Check the salt. And adjust accordingly. I will be adding little more. So salt to taste. Cover and cook this. So medium flame till the chicken is cooked. So it will be approx like around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So here is our red chicken, lal chicken, तांबडो chicken ready आसा. आता तुमकां जरी तर इतली ग्रेवी जाय जाल्यार हिंगासर तुमच्यान बंद करूं येता. पूण तुमकां आनीक दाट ग्रेवी जायी जाल्यार मातशी ओपन दवरून हेका शिजोवपाचें. ओके. अशेंच करून ओपन दवरून शिजोयात. And here is our chicken ready to serve. Garnish it with coriander leaves and eat it with plain rice or pulao rice. Thank you so much. So here it is all ready to eat. So hope you all will enjoy this red chicken, lal chicken or tamdo chicken. or तांबडी चिकनाची कोडी. सो मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलें. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.